Section 1.4, Conclusions. Social psychology can help identify and avoid the misunderstandings about public participation, improve the pertinence and effectiveness of public participation, and better utilize nuclear energy and technology in China. Hence, the following suggestions are provided. 4.1. Understand the conformity among individuals. Social psychology stresses that conformity is more obvious in a more mysterious field for two reasons. Individuals want to be accepted by the group. Individuals have limited access to information. For some historical reasons, nuclear remains a mysterious field for the public. Since many people are fairly ignorant about nuclear, conformity is quite commonly seen. To deal with this problem, the two measures below can be helpful. First, use the authority of the government. In countries with a credible government, government decisions tend to exert huge influences on public opinions. Therefore, it is imperative to enhance government credibility and timely issue authoritative opinions in case of rumors or negative public sentiments to minimize their adverse effects. Second, cultivate role models and opinion leaders. Efforts should be made to cultivate role models and authority figures to guide the conformity behavior. Opinion leaders, especially those on new media, should be fostered to guide the people's acquisition of correct nuclear knowledge. 4.2. Apply various measures to engage people from different groups to improve the effectiveness of public participation. People with a high level of knowledge and a high social status can make full use of their resources to obtain related knowledge and make independent judgments. Given this situation, nuclear knowledge can be imparted by integrating media, especially new media, with lectures to persuade them with actual data. For student groups who are forming values, science popularization can be adopted to help students master correct nuclear knowledge and spread such knowledge among their family members. For the general public with limited nuclear knowledge, government authority should be used to provide the guidance they need. More often, government decision is exactly what their attitude is. Different measures should be adopted for people in various areas. For people within the relocation area of nuclear projects, relocation grants should be reasonable. For those outside the area but close to such projects, the NIMBY effect should be avoided through two ways: improving the transparency of operators and providing the public with more nuclear information to reduce information asymmetry, increasing material compensation to bring surrounding residents real benefits while enhancing mental compensation through psychological guidance to ease their anxiety. 4.3. Encourage extensive participation to create synergy. Nuclear safety is a common issue which cannot be managed by any institution or company alone. In this context, the work for public participation requires concerted efforts from the whole industry as well as enhanced coordination between government agencies and operators to create synergy for sustained progress. Meanwhile, social forces should be fully engaged to help create a favorable public opinion atmosphere and improve people's nuclear knowledge so as to minimize public resistance. 4.4. Step up international cooperation to promote public participation. Nuclear safety transcends national boundaries. China should work with countries with a high level of public participation in nuclear safety, pay attention to their problems and avoid our previous misunderstandings. As a major country in the utilization of nuclear energy and technology, France has developed its nuclear energy by virtue of advanced technology, sound management and a transparent mechanism of public participation. In the future, China should step up cooperation with other countries to jointly promote public participation.